Next one on one bad eye YouTube. Y'all can see we got one getting laid out. See it? Out. We better change that, y'all. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we back with the light bulb replacement. Alright, y'all, real quick. We started over here with some of these things. Here. Use one of these. Pluck it out. So we took out 1, 2, 3, just to have more room, wiggle room. Took out that one too. Probably didn't need to take those out, but you know. So we took these out, and it's a 10 millimeter right here. You know, right there. Right there. Alright. Then we moved up here. We took out these things right here. Spin out. One. We just took all them loose. Bam. Got access to that. We took out one that was right here. One of these right here. When you go in here, this part right here. Go ahead and lower this part right here. Y'all see how I lower it? Then y'all can pop this part out. We'll take a bumper all the way off here. Just to like slide it out a little bit. See how it had the little wiggle room? And we got a 10 millimeter bolt here. And a 10 millimeter bolt right there. Right there, y'all see it. I'm about to get it, y'all. I'll be right back. Oh, but I ain't gonna have step, y'all. We took out 10 millimeter bolts here and here too, so we can get this to move. Without those bolts, you wouldn't be able to move this, y'all. Alright, y'all, so we got our 10 back there. I'm gonna go get the ratchet wrench or the swivel. Hold on. Alright, y'all, we went and got our rusty swivel. Right there, y'all. Don't break that. Don't break that. There's another one right here. Just so they go back in. Alright, y'all see. Got it out. Alright, y'all, we out. Alright, y'all, we'll go ahead and take our harness off here. Slide our little clamp up. Little clamp up here. Alright. Push our clamp in. Remove our harness. We're gonna take this over to the left. Alright, y'all, let's go ahead and put the harness on. Let's go. What y'all see? Oh. Absolutely. Let's take it. Get our screw. So we put it back in. Make sure. Knock it back in. Take a screw. Knock it like that. Alright, y'all, we gotta take our sleeve off this one because we need the 2 holes. We need the 2 holes for that. We put them down in there. See how that one only got 1 hole. So I'll just keep our original. I think we just slide it on like this. I see that. Slide it out. Go up there. Go over there. Let's move this one up. Slide this one on up in. Alright. So let's go back and put this back in here. Screw. Make sure I got a bolt. That one I bolts in. That one I bolts in. We can find out. Alright, y'all. We got our 2 bolts in, 2 CTS. Screw them down.
Alright, y'all, that's it. We'll plug it up and make sure it works. We're gonna put this cap back on. Alright, y'all, let's see. Two lights on, y'all. Two lights on, we good, y'all. Oh.